Three.
Hi everybody, my name is Deborah Small. I'm the author of the Self-Repair Toolkit. And yes, I'm here just to tell you a little bit about what you can expect when you pick up one of these. It consists of 12 tools to help you to live your life better. There are many things that are hidden about us that we don't know. And that's why sometimes we become the victim of our circumstance. How do we become free? That's really the answer. And very simple, 12 tools in the book can help you. It's a step towards that freedom. It's not going to give you maybe the total freedom, but it's going to give you a step towards that freedom. So I encourage you to go ahead, pick up your copy today, Amazon.com, Amazon.ca and UK, and yeah, enjoy.